sitting out on my bench in the Zen garden and enjoying my little fountain that I just put in. It's very peaceful, and I think the birds and squirrels like it too. And some other flowers over here. This is my little cherry tree. I just planted that, and I hope it will look very pretty with my little Japanese bridge, which looks awful now, but I will be painting it soon, and I'm sure it will look a lot better. A pretty basket here too. I just love to sit out here. It's so peaceful. Over here, I have my rhododendron bush, which is just starting to flower. And it looks very pretty when all the flowers are out. There's St. Francis over there. I just transplanted some rhododendrons in the back by St. Francis, so it should look pretty next year when it comes out. So I have a Zen garden, but it's balanced by a St. Francis garden, so it's all about love, and that's what matters. That's my arbor over there. The bluebird likes to sit on there sometimes, and he's nesting over here. I just found out how to just make everything look closer. I didn't know I could even do that till I started doing this. Anyway, I'm enjoying all the beautiful day, although it's a little warm. We just had a barbecue. It was very pleasant, and so it sort of figured I'd come out and sit on my bench and enjoy some peaceful time out here, observe nature. I think tomorrow we'll check out my herb garden. Things are getting interesting there as well. Thanks for joining me. You have a wonderful day.